How to stop a runny nose. Quickly with home remedies. We all deal with the occasional runny nose and, most of the time, it's nothing serious. So, if you're otherwise healthy and dealing with a mild case, there are a number of at-home remedies you can consider. In this video, we'll detail some of our favorite home treatments for clearing up a runny nose, including at least one you've likely never heard before. What causes a runny nose? A runny nose, also known as rhinorrhea, is a condition in which excess mucus builds up in the nasal passages. Why does it happen? The answer is, it depends. Viral infections, such as the flu or common cold, are major culprits. This is because our bodies produce mucus to trap and flush out the virus, leading to a runny nose. If you have allergies, you may get a runny nose from your immune system overreacting to pollen, dust, or pet dander by releasing histamine. Other common factors include dry or cold air, smoke, pollution, or strong odors, all of which can irritate nasal passages, causing a runny nose as your body tries to add moisture to the air you breathe. Usually, a runny nose will go away on its own, but if it persists or you experience additional symptoms, you might want to visit your doctor. However, if your symptoms are mild, any one of these home remedies could offer some relief. Nasal rinse. Using a nasal rinse is a simple yet highly effective way to clear excess mucus and reduce inflammation. This simple combination of salt and warm water not only flushes out irritants, but it can be easily made at home following these steps. Boil water and let it cool slightly. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt into the water until it dissolves. Once your solution is ready and cooled to a comfortable temperature, lean over a sink, pour a little saline solution into your hand, and gently sniff it up one nostril while keeping the other nostril closed. Then, let it drain out and repeat on the other side. Inhale steam. Inhaling steam is another simple home remedy for a runny nose. This is because the warmth and moisture from the steam soothe irritated nasal passages and thin mucus, making it easier to clear congestion. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Lean the bowl with a towel draped over your head. Inhale through your nose for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to enhance the effect. Just be careful to avoid burns. Want more easy, at-home remedies for all sorts of ailments? Subscribe to our channel for tons of tips and tricks. Nasal sprays. Saline sprays work just like your at-home remedy. However, over-the-counter steroid nasal sprays can add an extra punch by helping to reduce inflammation. Just make sure to use them as directed and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they're safe for you. Staying hydrated. Drinking enough fluids is essential when you have a runny nose. Staying hydrated helps keep mucus thin and easy to expel, whereas dehydration can lead to thicker, stickier mucus. Also, avoid both caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you and worsen symptoms. Antihistamines. Think your runny nose might be due to allergies? An antihistamine might help reduce symptoms. Some common examples include loratadine and fexofenadine. Still, it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider before taking any new medications. Apply a warm compress. Believe it or not, the simple application of a warm compress can work wonders for easing a runny nose, especially if it's accompanied by sinus pressure. Just follow these steps. Soak a clean washcloth in warm, not boiling water. Place it across your forehead and nose for about 15 to 20 minutes. The warmth boosts circulation in the sinus area and can help relieve nasal congestion. Repeat as needed throughout the day. Eat ginger and other spicy foods. If you enjoy a little spice, eating foods with ginger, cayenne pepper, or wasabi can help clear up your sinuses. Spicy foods stimulate mucus production, but can also make mucus easier to expel, providing some relief. Just try a small amount first if you're not used to spicy flavors. A runny nose can be annoying, but it's easy to manage if you know how. Just remember, if your symptoms last too long or seem to be getting worse, call your doctor, just to be sure. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We are constantly putting out fun videos on everything related to health and wellness. And please remember, this video is meant for educational purposes and is not medical advice.